Okay, so now we're just going to show an example of how I basically do an adjustment on a baby. So this baby is very young, and you'll see that it's a very, very light technique. And the baby will obviously be moving a lot on the table and jumping around and everything else. But there's just specific movements that I'll do, and I want to be looking for certain kind of movements that the baby will do. And I'll know that they're actually developing these strategies that we want them to develop to have a good, flexible nervous system and spine. Okay?
Falle foto. Falle foto.
Okay, so that was her first adjustment, very, very light. And we just want to see them actually starting to stretch out the spine. You can see that she kind of relaxed there for a little bit. Her spine lengthened. We want to see a little breathing. Very mobile, obviously moving around, but that's okay. Because obviously we just want to put in the input at the right time, and the baby will do what it needs to do. It's good that they're moving around because movement is important for the spine and the nervous system. So we just keep rechecking to see what kind of changes have happened in the baby. So now I'm just looking for movement here. You can just see that she just slightly raised her pelvis. She's reaching for the stars, which is good. Okay. Every so often you'll see moving around, but then there'll be a sensation. So you should just relax and let everything go for a second. So that's important. Ready to move, huh? She's a roly-poly baby, obviously. Well, that's good, too. So I'm just seeing very subtle, specific movements that the baby is doing that I know she's doing the right thing with her nervous system, which is good. This is infant curiosity. So you've got to see everything that's going on. We usually do the babies like this on their mothers, obviously, so that they feel comfortable in that position. They're with somebody that they know and recognize. Exactly. So that's pretty much a typical adjustment. There's maybe 2 or 3 or 4 adjustments. Obviously, like I said, babies move around all the time, and that's totally fine when they're getting their adjustment. But obviously, as you can see, it's very, very light, it's very gentle. Any kind of baby can take this kind of adjustment, and it's great for them to develop a really flexible, functioning spine and nervous system, because really the health of the baby depends on the brain's connection to the body with free spine, free nervous system. That's the most important thing that any baby can have while they're growing up. So thanks for your time, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.